beautiful people. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you were here with me, and I definitely appreciate that. To all the new people stopping by my channel, hi you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you're notified each time I post a video. And to all of my returning subscribers, hey y'all. So today's video is going to be a clean with me kitchen edition. If you want to see how I clean this kitchen, then definitely keep on watching. So first, I like to start with washing my dishes. The dishes that I'm washing are just my baking utensils. These cannot go in the dishwasher, so this is what I'm doing right here. Now that the dishes are finished being washed, let's turn on this dishwasher. Now here I'm just going in with my vinegar, water, pine salt, and just a dash of Dawn to spray on the countertops to make sure that they get nice and clean. After all of the counters are clean and the cabinets are wiped off, I like to go in and just sweep the kitchen and make sure I sweep off the rugs as well. And just like that, y'all, the kitchen is officially clean, and that is going to be it for this vlog. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And until next time, you guys, I'll see you on the next one. Talk to you soon. Bye.